I really like this hand small vacuum to clean the car. I have a toddler and she eats snacks in the car all the time. It's really easy to use. You can plug it down there to charge it, and then you turn it on here, and it has 2 modes. And then up here you can unlock it so that you can take out the garbage that's in there. All you have to do is press it to turn it on, and then if you press it one more time, it gets stronger. This chair is always so dirty, so I try to keep it at least chrome free, and the floor too. But if you can see, it's pretty good. It suctions off the crumbs very well. And then to turn it off, you just hold it